couldn't find my boots. Spilled my coffee on my Sunday suit. Ran out to the truck, but the tire went flat. Tried to fix it with duct tape, how about that? Grabbed my tractor to pull the truck free, but I hit the gas too hard, now it's stuck in the tree. My dog's just watching like, what's this fool doing? Lord help me, my whole day's ruined. Oops, there goes my tractor rolling down the hill, chasing chickens through the yard like it's got free will. My wife's screaming, what in tarnation? It's another fine mess in the making. If there's a wrong way, you can bet I'll find it. My life's a rodeo, and I'm riding blind in it. Been fishing to escape my bad luck. Cast my line, hooked the tailgate of my truck. Tried to reel it in, but I slipped in the mud. Now my best flannel smells like a swampy crud. Headed to town to grab some supplies, but I backed him through the sheriff and I met his eyes. He said, son, you're a hazard to this here county. I said, sheriff, I'm just cursed, can't you see? Oops, there goes my tractor rolling down the hill, taking fancy scarecrows in my neighbor bill. My wife yelling, what's your next disaster? Life's moving fast, but I'm not moving faster. If there's a way to mess it up, I'm the king. Even my horse won't listen when I pull the reins. Now the cows are out, the barn's on fire. The neighbor's got a shotgun, calling me a liar. I swear it wasn't me who wrecked the fence. Up and the cows are out, the barn's on fire. The neighbor's got a shotgun, calling me a liar. I swear it wasn't me who wrecked the fence, but the mud on my boots kinda gave me away. If there's a toast to the folks like me who turn chaos into comedy, if you're ever in doubt, just look my way. You'll feel like a genius by the end.